Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be what fits in my Tory Burch Charlie large shoulder bag. I just got this bag. I did an unboxing for this bag, so if you want to see that one, head over to my shorts. But I'm gonna show you guys what fits in this bag. Firstly, I'm gonna do a quick review of the bag. The bag is gorgeous. As you can see, the leather feels so good. This is so soft. Literally, this is the softest leather I've ever felt. And then it has the closing here for the bag. The two drawstrings have the Tory Burch logo and emblem on there, and then it's got these two large pockets on the side. The only thing I will say is that the phone fits in there, but the flap is not able to close properly. As you can see, this is what it looks like when I try to close it with my phone in there. So it's not able to fully close. If you have a smaller iPhone than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, I'd say go for it. It should be able to fit inside of the bag. This is the bag from the back. And then underneath, it just looks like this. It doesn't have the little bag stands, which I love. I don't like those bag stands. I love bags that just are simple. It has just one strap. This is the strap. The strap is not adjustable, by the way. You can't take it off. Sometimes straps like these, you're able to just clip it off and then replace it with a different strap. This does not have that. So it literally just comes like this. Can change the strap. And in my opinion, because it only has one strap, I don't recommend putting too much inside of the bag. I did try. My MacBook Pro 13 inches fits in this bag, but it's not able to close when I put it in there. And I wouldn't recommend carrying a laptop in this bag because it has one strap and your shoulders are going to hurt. It's more like a cutesy bag, kind of bag that you take if you're gonna go to an event or if you're going out shopping and you just want to carry a few items with you. I'd say take this bag with you. Let me show you what fits in here, or at least what I have in my bag currently. I don't usually carry a lot of items around, so the bag does fit a lot more than what I have in the bag. We're just gonna do a what's in my bag. This is the bag on the inside. I love the color of the interior. The interior feels like a really soft suede material, and it has the Tory Burch logo emblem right there. It just feels so soft. The entire bag, even the outer leather, feels so soft. And of course, as you probably already know, a lot of different brands have their own style for this specific bag. There's a Coach bag that looks similar to this one. I just personally prefer the Tory Burch. There's also the Chanel bag, of course, which I'm sure is the original inspo. The style of this bag is just gorgeous all around. 10 out of 10 across the board. First thing I have in here, in this little zipper compartment, I have my wallet or my card holder. So I have the Tory Burch Kira card holder, fits perfectly in here. And then I have my iPad, which also fits in here nicely. Next item I have is this book. I like to carry a book around, just, I don't know, sometimes I get bored, even sometimes at work, I just pull out a book and start reading it. And then of course, I'm using my camera to film right now, but I also usually like to keep my camera in my bag as well and just carry that around. And then I have my car keys, of course. Got this little cute scrunchie. And then the last thing I have in here is this little pouch. I like to, just to keep things organized, I like to carry around a little pouch as well. And in here, I keep my necessities. So I've got some Tylenol. As a pharmacist, I like to take my Tylenol whenever I need to. And I just like to carry Tylenol around just in case, you know, you just never know. And then I have my Mentos gum as well. I also like to keep some hand sanitizer. I will say this is more just a perfumed hand sanitizer. It doesn't sanitize anything, but it does provide you with that cute little scent, but it's not doing much for your hands. And then I also have my Vaseline. I love to carry my Vaseline with me. Sometimes when it gets super hot in the summertime, it tends to melt. And that's why, again, I like to put it inside of this little pouch here. That way it doesn't go all over the bag. And then I also like to keep a little perfume. This is actually the Chloe, it's Chloe on here. So this is the miniature 5 ml Chloe bottle. It's so cute, but I love to keep it with me just in case, you know, you're going somewhere, you're going on a date and you want to smell nice. You can just open this and just spray a little bit on your wrists. And lastly, I have my Vaseline lotion, my hand lotion. I always keep hand lotion. It doesn't necessarily have to be the Vaseline brand. I use a lot of different brands when it comes to my hand lotions, but I like to keep a hand lotion in my bag at all times because your girl does get ashy. I like to make sure that I take care of that. So that is actually all that I have in my bag. I wouldn't recommend carrying too much in this bag. The bag only has one handle. You don't want to be carrying too much in the bag. It's supposed to be more of a cutesy type bag where you just carry a few pieces in the bag. I know it looks big, but it's not meant for you to be carrying a lot in here. So that's all I had for this video. I really hope that you like this review. The bag is sold out online. I got this bag because I was on the wait list for the store in my city. If you're trying to purchase the bag, you have to call the store and they will have to put you down on the wait list. I won't necessarily be able to link the bag per se because I did get it from the store, but I'm gonna share the link to the other colors that they have that are available. And I'm sure they're gonna release a lot more colors in the future as well. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be releasing a lot of videos like this in the future. And of course, as always, I love every single one of you and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.